Hello everyone, welcome back to Key to Blogging, and today we are going to see how you can add auto internal linking to your Blogger website. So recently I got a comment like this: how to add auto internal linking script in Flittro Pro theme. I have tried every code but not working, make a video. So let's check how we can add it to our Blogger website. So as you can see, I have added a internal linking like this. So this link will be automatically generated and added to each and every blog post. So let's check how you can do that. So if I switch to another blog page, then we don't have any related post sections. Let's say I want to click on here and there is no related post section, so I want to add it at the end of the article. So for this, what I can do is I will go to my layout, go to theme, and make sure to take a backup of your theme code first, and after that click on HTML, edit HTML, and here you can simply search for less than data column post dot body, something like this, and let's hit enter. Now here you will see it 1 or 2 times. Let's hit enter again, and here it is: div class post body id post body data colon post dot body. So if you add script before it, then it will show at the top of the blog post, and if you add it after this code, then your code will display after the end of the article. So we need to add it after that. So let me copy a script like this. So let me copy this and paste it after this data colon post dot body. And here you need to change one thing: you need to replace your website URL here. So make sure to use your own website URL, and here it's check for the latest 25 blog post and add the internal linking. So you can see, you can change this value. Let's say you want to add 50, then it will check for the latest 50 blog post on your Blogger website and add that internal linking. So it will be random order. All right, now let me refresh this page, and you can see time to first byte, affiliate marketing, image comparison. Let me refresh it again. As you can see, now this order is changed and we have different articles. Let me refresh it again, and we have now different set of articles. And if I go to other articles, then also it will keep changing these related post links. So let me refresh it again, and that's it. So this is how we can add internal linking to your Blogger website, and it will work on most of the themes. So you can try it out and let me know if you face any issues during this implementation. And here you can change this color and everything. Just go to the edit template and go to the same position, and first of all you can change the number of posts. So here by default we have 5 number of blog posts. You can change it to, let's say, 10, then it will display 10 related links. And here you can change this color. So first of all we have the background color of this container, which is white. So you can change the background color here. So this is the background color, and you can change the border. We have the 4 pixel border set here, so you can change it to, let's say I want to add 6 pixel border here, and I can change the border color as well. Let's say I want to add a red color border, then I can change that, and I can change the border radius. Let's say I want to make it 20 pixel, and as you can see we have changed the related links to 10, and we have the border color here. So red is not looking good. Now here you can see the random post URL list, and we have the random post list, and we have the margin bottom. So this is the spacing between these links, so you can adjust that margin here, and you can change the background color as well. So this is the background color of that 1 2 3 4 numbers, so you can change that background color here, and you can change the hover color of that background. So if I hover over this, and it will show a red background, and by default it shows blue color. So let's match that color as well. So I can add the same border color around it. All right, now you can change the links color as well. So this is the random post box links, so you can change the font width. Let's say I want to display bold font here, then I can change it to 700 and I can adjust the font size. Let's say I want to display 16 pixel font size here. Now let's click on save. So this is how you can further customize it through CSS. So let's refresh it and here it is. So I think we should add 5 links at a time. So let's change that in the script and let's reduce the border here, and it is fully mobile responsive as well. So let's check in mobile as well. So let me switch to iPhone SE and this is how it looks in iPhone. Now let's click on iPhone XR, Pixel 7. So let me know if you have any issues during implementation, and if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you.